ODD stock analysis and price predictions for next week. This is super interesting. Is it a buy or not? Watch this very brief and short 1-minute video till the end to find out. It sort of crashed for the whole reality of last week. Totally fair. Like, I haven't made a video on this in a while. I'll just mark up the top as it was, get rid of some of the BS stuff, and seems like we punctured through the zone. Now, with this big of a crash, I'm not just gonna give up and say like plane is crashing, is over. One break could mean nothing, right? Shit, nada. For me, the only thing that I care about is if I see a proper break above here, and only if that takes a place, I'm looking to further take things up, right? If my rules are not met, then bro, I'm not kidding you. If this red part does not happen, I'm not buying. Because this is some big stuff that I'm expecting, but if my rules are not met, they just dump, right? And with ODD, I also have about 1 receipt in the Discord, which is fair. Now, if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.